Good morning. It's February 20th, 2018, and it's 8:06 in the morning, and things are rocking in Danville today, and not the way that you would think. Right now, we're all putting up with and living through a swarm of small earthquakes in our area, and one of them actually woke me up last night. So what you're looking at here is a map of our local area, and right here where the star is the epicenter of our earthquake swarm. So to give you some perspective, I actually live right in this area, and it's about a mile from the earthquake epicenter, and our offices are actually right down here in San Ramon, just across the border from Danville. Last night at 1:30 in the morning, we had a magnitude 2.8 earthquake, and it actually woke me up. Now, earthquakes around here are not uncommon. I grew up around here, and we're all kind of used to it. And in fact, us Californians, we're actually proud of the fact that we lived through lots and lots of earthquakes. Last night, it seemed unusual that one of them actually woke me up. So to give you some idea, just within the last 6 hours, we've had 4 earthquakes. 3 hours ago, we had a 2.9. 3 hours ago, or just before that, we had a 3.0. 4 hours ago, we had a 2.6, and at 1:30 this morning, we had a 2.8. And for those of you who have never been in an earthquake, it's a little hard to describe. There are different kinds of earthquakes. The type that we had last night, the one that woke me up, the best way I can describe it is, imagine that you have a herd of really giant horses, and they're galloping through your house, shaking and causing the house to roll. And then all of a sudden, they all come to a screeching halt. They plant their hooves all at the same time, and they all come to a sudden stop, and it shakes the entire house. That's what the earthquake was like last night. And the whole thing only lasts for maybe 3 or 4 seconds. Not very long at all, but enough to shake the house and to wake you up and let you know that things underneath you are alive and happening. It just was an interesting thing, and I thought I would point it out. We go through this periodically around here. It was last year right in the more immediate area around our office. It was down just south of the edge of the map here, just a little bit in San Ramon. We had an earthquake swarm. It lasted for about 3 weeks, and over a 3-week period, we had almost 600 little earthquakes. Things are always rocking in California, and today we've got earthquakes going on in Danville. Not very far from where I live. I just thought I would share that in case you found it interesting. That's all. If you like it, give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Thumbs up, because you never know. California could split off and fall into the ocean. I remember growing up hearing about that. Never really happened, but you never know, it could. Or maybe Mount Diablo will turn into a volcano, and we'll all get incinerated when it erupts. They say it won't happen, but who knows? Anyway, that's all. See ya.